At Hilti, we have an inspiring purpose of making construction better. And we do this by being our customers' best partner for safety, productivity and sustainability. Did you know that post-installed rebar connections lose strength at higher temperatures? Do you want to ensure that your connections are safe and stable even at these elevated temperatures? If the answer to those questions is yes, then we have the right solution. And the solution is FP700R. This is the world's first inorganic injectable mortar, which maintains more than 80% of its strength even at elevated temperatures of more than 500 degrees Celsius. So if you want to ensure that your post-install rebar connections are safer at higher temperatures, switch to FP700R.